the back of the old church in 2018, folks. Take a look. And here comes the transformation. What do you think, folks? Burnt orange vinyl siding, gently used vinyl windows, and a garage door now in the back of the old church. Well, folks, 3 O's in the ground. Mr. Garry here from GBL, the Old Church 5-acre homestead. It's snowing here now. It's snowing. It's been raining for the last 3 or 4 weeks, and quite honestly, I don't know how my son Devin and I managed to get the projects done that we're able to get done here at GBL, the Old Church 5-acre homestead. But we did manage to get quite a few projects completed, and one very huge project. In fact, it's a milestone for this whole church. Okay, I'm standing, as you can see, in front of the old church right now. And for those of our subscribers who's new to our channel, this is indeed an old Anglican church that my wife, Miss Betty, and I have been restoring and renovating as our own private residence now that we are retired. There's going to be lots and lots of more videos to come showcasing this old church, of course. And I'll insert a video clip very, very soon showing what the church used to look like when it was still a church. I want to take you around the back of the church and show you what we've accomplished over the last few days. My son Devin and I, we have been installing vinyl siding on this old church, and we now have it all completed. And we finished the back on Wednesday, I do believe, because it's been raining and snowing and all that kind of stuff, and we haven't been able to get out here very much. But the weather did clear on Wednesday, enough that we were able to get back to the back of the old church. Look at that. And we were able to get the back of the old church completed with vinyl siding. And I even managed to install a couple of lights. Now these lights have sensors on them, and they come on when it gets dark. I'll insert a clip right about now. Now, let me continue showing you the back of the church after you just saw that little clip. We do have all the siding on that we intend to put on this old church. We do have our ledger board installed, because back here is going to be a very, very large patio going all the way back to those trees right there. So that's a job for next summer, and there will be, of course, lots and lots of videos for you to come and see. This section right here, folks, we're going to be extending the church back here. This is going to be a build-on. So we're going to be building on another bathroom and another bedroom and another living room right in this section right here. So look forward to that. We have to figure out how we're going to be attaching the roof of it and all of that kind of stuff, and securing the basement part of it and all that, building, making some concrete and all of that kind of stuff. So that's what we've been up to. We've accomplished quite a lot over the past little while, and we are very, very excited to have the entire church now completed with vinyl siding. I'm coming around the western end of the old church. This is where we started when Devin came home from working up north. We started back here, and that was back in July, August month. But we managed to get it all done now, and that's a really, really, really good thing. That's the new barn that we built. There are 10 videos showcasing how this barn was built, from the very first step to the last step when the roof went on and the windows. So go check that out. That's on our YouTube channel. That's a playlist. Steps on how to build a large building. That building is 30 feet by 50 feet. I'm showing you the old church windows now that were in the back of the old church. back of the church that we just finished with vinyl siding and new vinyl windows. But those are the old church windows that was in the old church. There's a few vinyl windows that I have there as well that I have for sale. I don't need those. Coming around the side of the new barn, there's a pile of pallets and some old wood and those big flakes of snow. They're as big as grasshoppers, folks. They're falling. Let's go in. Let's go in the new barn. Still lots of work to do in here too, of course. There's Clementine. Look at that. She's all ready to do some snow clearing and more work. A couple of large piles of firewood right here. Here's a pile of mostly birch. And there's a smaller pile there of mostly fir and black spruce. Okay, so still lots of work to do in this new barn, and we'll get to it. There's 4 vinyl windows that I'm going to be installing in this wall right here, facing the ocean. And we are very, very close to the ocean, as you can see now. Just take a look. That's the ocean right there. That's Gander Bay, Notre Dame Bay, and the Atlantic Ocean right there. That's what I wanted to show you folks in this TGIF Friday video today. Thank you ever so much. Thank you ever so much for joining me in this miserable, mozzie old morning. Okay, so folks, now just before I go, I do want to say thank you ever so much for joining us in this video today, this TGIF Friday video. You have a blessed Friday. To our friends in the USA, in the United States of America, I hope you are having the bestest Thanksgiving weekend and celebration in your homes with you and your friends and all that kind of good stuff. So do enjoy that, and I'm sure we'll see lots of videos and lots of comments about your weekend coming up. I want to say before I go, thank you again ever so much for tuning into our channel, watching our videos. We do appreciate that so very, very much. The snow is accumulating on my jacket, as you can see. Lots and lots of big flakes. It is only around 2 degrees Celsius, which is around probably 40 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm wearing my green hard hat today, and very, very soon, look at that, I've got a few stickers here that I will be putting on this green hard hat very, very soon. So look forward to a channel shout out video on our channel very, very soon, folks. Mr. Garry now, signing out. Take care, folks. God bless. A nasty old day, and the snow is accumulating on the ground here, as you can see. I'm going to go up onto our new patio and go inside and get in out of the cold. Just look at all the snow. Look, it's all sloppy snow too, and that's slippery. So in I go to get into the wood stove and get warmed up.